Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this new Interroll live event of 2021. My name is Giulio Bassi, Director of Business Intelligence at Interroll, and I am going to be your host today. Here with me, I have the pleasure to have Maria Brengenzer. Maria is the Global Product Manager for Drum Motors at Interroll. Welcome, Maria, and thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you, Giulio. It's my pleasure. And of course, welcome everybody watching.
So why are we here today? Me and Maria would like to give you a bit of an overview about Interroll's capabilities when it comes to belt drives, the possible applications, and some of the main trends in the market. Also, Maria, I believe you have some pretty exciting news to share with our viewers, right?
It's correct, Giulio, but don't spoil my surprise.
I promise I will do my best. Let's take a look at some trends that are so-called drivers of internal logistics here. What has an impact on the world of material handling? Well, we talked about Amazon and e-commerce right now, right? And that brings to mind fast deliveries. Every time we order something online, we want it to be delivered as soon as possible, right? Clearly that shapes the material handling operations of any business. So what other trends do you find interesting here, Maria? What's your thought?
I personally really find sustainable solution interesting. We hear from more and more of our customer and end users sustainability is becoming growingly important. So for both manufacturing process as well as for the daily life of material handling applications. A low carbon footprint and a low energy consumption are not just buzzwords anymore, you know. So they are becoming more and more relevant, and legislators are finally catching up with plans that every business will have to comply with, I think.
Yeah, that's right, Maria, because I know the European Union is working on some new regulations on the efficiency of these electrical motors, right?
Yes, you're absolutely right, and you're extremely good informed though. There is an existing EU regulation from 2019 about energy efficiency and electric motors. And of course, I'm very happy and extremely proud to say that we do comply with that. Although we are also aware about and we believe that this regulation will become even stricter, especially if you consider the current development and evolution towards a greener mindset.
Oh, that's very true. Well, sounds like everyone better start getting ready, folks.
And since you mentioned the fact regarding these trends have obviously a global impact, well, Interroll is in this case well positioned to respond to the needs of our customer all over the world. Matter of fact, we do not only produce here in Germany, we do have facilities out there in the US and also in China.
Point taken.
Look at the slides. Here you see there are 5 main applications we can serve with: food processing, packing, airports like, you know, the check-in desk or X-ray scanning machines. Also industrial manufacturing in general. There is, as one example, the automotive industry, and finally the cab industry, the courier, express, and parcel.
I see. So you're basically saying Interroll can offer proven solutions for each and every one of these industries.
So we created the strongest synchronous drum motor on the market at present with 1,800 watt power.
Wow.
So yeah, it has more power and torque than any other asynchronous drum motor of the same size. This makes it ideal for fast conveying of heavy parcels over long distances. And you know, another great benefit and feature is that Interroll synchronous drum motor, it has great acceleration rates and phenomenal start-stop capabilities. Both perfect, for example, weighing and portioning for food.
Aha.
Yeah.
Food industry, my favorite.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, well, I understand that's another great area of application of the drum motor, indeed, is the food industry, especially because of the hygienic requirements of the sector, right? They can be pretty tricky, and they are becoming more and more strict over the years.
I really have to recommend our drum motor because it is ultra hygienic, up to IP69K, and it has a really robust stainless steel construction and smooth surfaces. All this makes cleaning fast, keeps downtime to a minimum, and I mean, come on, we all know time is money.
Indeed.
Less downtime means higher productivity. So unlike with traditional motors, there is no need for expensive casting to protect your drive from high pressure water or these acid cleaning agents. Yeah, we have recently launched new technopolymer sprockets, just like you see the ones on the picture right now. They are easy to clean, durable and robust, and they make your belt drives extremely flexible, because you will be able to change sprockets to adapt them to different belts with the same motor. We are fully embracing the digitization trends, and we are proud to offer the new Interroll Connexo and Interroll Diab solutions. They will help reduce maintenance costs tremendously and increase plant availability in the same time. I was talking to an end user once, and he was really telling me that a day they had to order a helicopter, for bringing in the new motor, because the downtime costs were even higher than paying a helicopter for that.
That's phenomenal.
Imagine, incredible. So let me show you how it works. Here we have our Interroll pen. We have created, it works together with the RFID, which we have implemented in the DM shaft. And also what we added was a QR code to the drum motor housing. Both, either the RFID or the QR code, can be just open the Interroll Lite app on your mobile phone, take the pen or scan the QR code, and all will pop up on your mobile phone. All important information from the drum motor: serial number, date of purchase, diameter, speed, power, just popping up on your screen.
That easy?
That easy.
You mean I could even do that with my own phone?
Yeah, you can do it with your own phone too.
You got to let me try later.
Of course, you have to, obviously.
Thank you. We also have a neat little video that we can show to our friends that talks about these things, right?
Go ahead.
All right, so let's take a look. And now before we close and we wrap up, let's see if there's any question from our audience.
Yeah, let's check that.
So now, guys, you got to bear with me. I got to read this. Let's see. Okay, first question. I think this is a good one for you, Maria. What is the difference between an asynchronous and a synchronous drum motor?
Oh, let me answer this on an easy way. So basically, a synchronous drum motor allows you to pack more power into the same diameter. What our customer is doing with this extra power is up to him, actually, conveying heavier items or running his belts faster. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
That simple?
Yes.
Well, I could even understand that.
You did.
Well, good. Thanks. All right. So let's see. Another question. Here we go. Do you guys offer trainings and on-site support?
Oh, for sure, and I'm extremely happy that you asked this question. We do offer complete training programs, both technical and more sales-orientated. Also, we are happy to support you with our extensive know-how. Our application engineer can help you with any of your projects from the initial design phase all the way down to the final stages.
All the way through?
All the way through.
From beginning to end?
From beginning to end.
Wow, amazing. All right, so let's see. There is another couple of questions coming up. What is the expected lifetime of these drum motors?
So regarding lifetimes, we were talking about running hours. So in this case, I would say we say that it's 25,000 hours the drum motor can run.
Okay, so let's see, let's move on. How do we achieve the oil-free setup in the food drum motors? Yeah, I understand the question. Matter of fact, we do offer a drum motor that's oil-free, right? Specifically manufactured for the food sector.
We're extremely happy to offer this oil-free drum motor because if there is no oil, no fear. So, of course, and all our synchronous drum motors are offered in oil-free version from the 80, 130 up to the 138, the new one. So, of course, order it, go ahead.
Great. So let's see. Anything else popping up? Yeah, I think we get one more. Can an external encoder be connected to the drum motor?
Yes, indeed, it can. The setup and all, we can help you by all installing works, and as I always said, please contact us. Our application engineers will support you and help you in this case.
Excellent. All right. Let's see. Is there anything else? How do I repair a motor that I have?
Well, I hope actually you will send it back to us and we can repair it for you on a professional way. So to guarantee the best quality for you, I think it's always best you contact us and our service team, and they will serve and support you for sure. So I'm really pleased to ask you, contact us and we will help you with your issues for sure.
Yeah, and by the way, you find all the contact information also for our service department on our website, www.interroll.com. So let's see if there's any more question here. Exciting, I like it.
I'm happy so. I'm happy that people are asking though.
Okay, so no more questions from there. No, wait a second. There is one more. Yeah, we got time for one more question, right? Yeah, come on, a few minutes.
Yeah, okay, go ahead.
Oh, this is interesting. Do you have something in the pipeline when it comes to belt applications in the future?
What a nice question. Of course we do. We're eager to have, but Giulio and audience, I have to ask you for a little patience. There is something cooking for sure regards hygienic applications here at Interroll. But that is all I can say about it right now.
Also, please go take a look at our website, interroll.com. As we said, there's a lot of contact information, a lot of useful web tools like a belt drive selection tool, which is really neat. Check out our social media. Our YouTube channel has a lot of wonderful videos, including the one that you just saw a few minutes ago. So you can go there and find it. But yeah, that's it. Unless you have anything else to add, I think that was all. So
thank you very much, Giulio.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
This was Giulio Bassi, live from the Interroll manufacturing site in Ball, Germany. And also on behalf of Maria, thank you very much for watching. And until next time.
Bye.